I'm out in the truss yard again. I wanted to address a few concerns that some of my viewers had watching the video 50-foot trusses through a 40-foot gate. This is the stack of trusses from the video. These jacks were not in the video. These were set after the trusses were stacked here. But in the video, it shows the long set of trusses being picked up by a forklift, and they're bowing down on the sides. This is what made it so hard to get through the gate. The forklift couldn't lift the trusses high enough to clear the fence. So the concern was, it looked to a couple of viewers like there were some broken trusses on the top of the stack. And I told them no, they were not broken, but I want to show you what really happened. So this is where they saw the supposed break happen. These are shorter trusses stacked on top of the trusses. What they do when they stack these trusses up, they will drive a nail down into the trusses below that holds it all together. Besides the huge steel straps that they put on, that holds the stack together. When this stack is picked up by the forklift, the ends sag down. And naturally, when it sags down on the ends, the middle, these shorter trusses, they go up in the middle. These two trusses are what came up in the middle, and it looked, you could see a separation between these two, and it looked like a broken truss. But there are no broken trusses on this load. I just wanted to clarify that in case you're still confused. If you have any other questions about trusses, drop them in the comments below. I'll answer them if I can. I do have over 30 years experience as a truss designer, and so I can answer most of your truss questions. Talk to you later. Bye.